So there are some episodes on the Glitter and Glamour podcast talking about the history of makeup, how makeup was made in the ancient times, and how men and women both wore makeup for different reasons. And there's some other good things to learn on the Glitter and Glamour podcast. To listen to the Glitter and Glamour podcast is absolutely free. And you can get on the Google Play Store or the Apple's iTunes Store and use other apps, and you will find the Glitter and Glamour podcast on there. So thank you so much, ladies. I love y'all. Talk to you next time. Stay glamorous.